We are here at the historic Reed House in Chattanooga, Tennessee. When was the Reed House built, Heather?
1872.
1872. So this place is not exactly new, but it's a historic hotel in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And we're in room 346, which is a king bed situation. Heather says the bed is extra comfortable. I haven't been on it yet. Nice lights in here. Some classy looking artwork. Big thick crown molding. A tiny television by today's standards. Here's some more artwork that's kind of nice, blocked by this lamp. The lamp has an outlet, and it looks like it might even have an internet connection or maybe a phone connection. Here's a coffee maker with 2 cups already ready to keep your hand from getting hot tomorrow morning. Looks like there's 3 portions of coffee. 2 are regular, 1's decaf, and here's some stirring solutions and cream and sugar. So that's nice. There's the thermostat. Got a full-length mirror here. This little nook has some bottled water and a stainless steel thingamabob to put some ice in. Here in this louvered door, there's an ironing board, and looks like an iron up there. Yeah, pretty sure that's an iron. Here in the restroom, got a nice counter. One of the lights is out. And a potty. Kind of a old school bathtub going on here, but the tile's nice and clean. Looks like a magnifying mirror here. Maybe. Yeah, definitely. One side is normal and the other side's a magnifier. But this is room 346 at the Reed House in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We checked in after dark. It's New Year's Eve, actually. We're going to go hear somebody make some music at a bar that's a block or 2 from here called The Honest Pint. All you see is the reflection of this window, but there's no view out there to be seen anyway. It's just an alley. So, say bye from the Reed House, Heather.